What if I told you that you could build a legitimate beginner pool service route, 20 paying customers, real recurring revenue in 30 days without spending a single dollar on advertising? I'm talking no Facebook ads, no Google PPC, no agency retainer, no marketing budget at all. I think it's fair to say that most people would probably tell you that's not possible, that you need money to make money, that you can't compete without a truck wrap and a website and a full digital marketing stack behind you. I'm going to show you exactly why that's wrong, and I'm going to give you the 4 steps and blueprint that operators have used to build real routes from absolutely nothing, using nothing but hustle, a smartphone, and a willingness to do things your competitors are too lazy to do. Now, here's the thing that nobody tells you about starting a pool service business with no marketing budget. It can actually be an advantage. Not because having no budget is a good thing, but because it forces you to do the things that funded competitors are too lazy to do. They like to throw money at ads, they hide behind campaigns and funnels and retargeting pixels. They outsource the relationship building to algorithms. Now, you at this point aren't able to do any of that. So instead, you need to go out and build real relationships. You show up in person, you become a known face in specific neighborhoods instead of a sponsored post that disappears the moment someone scrolls past it. The operators who build the tightest, most profitable routes in the industry, the ones with dense geography, loyal customers, and high referral rates, almost always built them the same way. Not with the biggest marketing budget, but with the most intentional ground level effort in a specific geographical area. That is the strategy. Own a neighborhood before you try to own a city. Let's talk about how to do this. Step 1, and very importantly, your Google business profile. Before you knock a single door or post in a single Facebook group, you're going to want to do this first. Your Google business profile is the single most powerful free marketing tool available to any pool service business or any home service business for matter. It is your digital storefront. It is how customers who are actively searching for pool service in your area right now are going to find you or not find you. And in this space specifically, most of your competitors, believe it or not, either don't have one or they set it up in 5 minutes and have never touched it again. That gap here is your opportunity. Now, here's what a properly optimized profile is going to look like. Every section is filled out completely, not just the basics. A comprehensive services list that goes beyond just stating pool cleaning. I'm talking weekly maintenance, green pool cleanup, filter cleaning, salt cell cleaning, chemical balancing, etc. Each one of those is a keyword Google matches with someone searching for exactly that service. Photos need uploaded regularly, before and after shots on your phone, a post of your profile at least once a week, a clean pool, a seasonal tip, a customer shout out. Google here is going to reward active profiles. Active profiles rank higher. Higher ranking means more free inbound calls from people who are already looking to hire somebody. Now, I've done a full dedicated video on Google Business Profile Optimization. I'm going to link it in the description below. Go watch that after this one, but the short version of this is set it up properly before you do anything else, because everything else you're about to go do is going to send people to Google to check you out. Make sure what they find makes them call you. Now, real quick, guys, before I keep going, I wanted to make sure you knew about something. The Pool Service Academy is our free community on School, and it's where we give away everything. We've spent hundreds of hours documenting the strategies we use to grow to millions of dollars per year. Inside of the community, we do weekly calls where we go deep on what's actually working, monthly webinars on overcoming everyday hurdles in the business, and a community of pool service pros at every stage in the business, sharing real strategies, real numbers, and real industry trends with each other. Every guru out there is charging thousands or at a bare minimum a monthly subscription for access to this type of information. We built the Pool Service Academy with the intent to help pool service pros at every stage in the business grow, scale, and optimize their business. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. It's completely free. Now back to the video. Step 2 here is the 5 Around Blitz. This is the one that compounds the fastest and actually costs you the least. Here's how it works. Every single time you service a pool, whether it's your first client or your 50th, your job isn't done when the pool is clean. Before you leave that street, you take a stack of door hangers and you hit the 5 closest houses on each side of your client's home, and then 10 directly across the street. So 20 houses in total. Every single stop, every single time. And if you're the guy starting from zero right now, just pick a neighborhood and start dropping these off. The door hanger itself does not need to be complicated. One headline that does the selling for you. Something like, Your neighbor's pool is sparkling. Is yours? Then put a clear offer in there. First month discount, free equipment inspection, whatever your irresistible offer is going to look like. Your name and phone number need to be big enough to read without squinting. And here's why this works so much better than cold door hanging. You are not a stranger on that street. Your truck is already there. Your work is already visible. The neighbor walking their dog already saw you servicing the pool next door. The door hanger connects the dots between what they already saw and how they're going to get the same thing. That is warm outreach. And warm outreach converts at a dramatically higher rate than cold outreach every single time. One client on a street becomes a reason to touch 20 potential customers. 20 potential customers in a tight geographic area means your route density improves with every single stop that you add. And route density, or accounts clustered tightly rather than spread across the city, is what separates a profitable pool service business from one that looks busy but makes no money at all. Do this with every single stop. Without exception, it takes all but 10 minutes and it costs almost nothing. And it's going to compound every single week that you run your route. Step 3 here is to turn a happy customer into a referral engine. Getting your first customer here is the hardest part, but that first customer is worth far more than their monthly service rate if you handle the relationship correctly. Now here's the play. For the first few customers, over-deliver on everything. Show up on time every single week without exception. Keep the pool immaculate. Communicate proactively. A text when you're on the way, a photo of a finished pool when you're done. Those small touches build trust faster than any marketing campaign ever could. Then, after 30 days of flawless service with that customer, make the ask directly and confidently, something like this. I'm really glad that you've been happy with the service. I'm focused on building my route specifically in this neighborhood, and I'd love to offer your neighbors the same reliability. For every neighbor that you refer signups to, I'll give you a month completely for free. Don't be cheap here and offer a $20 credit or a gift card. Give them a free month. That is the offer that turns a passive customer into an active advocate for your business. A $20 credit is something that's going to get acknowledged and probably forgotten about, but a free month is something that's going to get talked about at the next neighborhood barbecue. And at the same moment, don't be afraid to go ask for the Google review right there. It can be a simple ask like, would you mind taking 30 seconds to share your experience on Google? It makes a huge difference for a small business. I'd really appreciate it if you could do that for me. Then text them the direct link immediately while you're standing there. Don't email it to them. Don't say you'll send it. Text it to them right now while you're in conversation at the time that you're speaking with them. Every happy customer who refers one of their neighbors and leaves one review is doing the work of a marketing campaign that you didn't have to pay for. Build that into your process from day one. And step number 4 is to own your neighborhood online. The last piece costs nothing, and most operators either ignore it or completely use it wrong. Facebook neighborhood groups and Nextdoor are where potential customers are talking about exactly the problems that you solve. Their pool's looking cloudy or it's beginning to turn green. Their equipment is making a strange noise. Current pool guys stop showing up. These conversations are happening right now in groups online for your neighborhoods that you're targeting. Here's how to use them correctly. First, you're going to want to join the groups for the specific neighborhoods where you're already servicing pools or running door-to-door hangers. Then, and this is the part that most people get wrong, don't post about your business. Don't introduce yourself. Don't promote anything that you offer. Instead, I want you to become the helpful expert. When somebody posts about a cloudy pool, answer their question genuinely. When someone asks about a chemical reading they don't understand, explain it clearly. Give real value here with no sales pitch attached. Do this 3 to 4 times and you become the pool guy in that community before you've even posted a single ad. So when someone asks for pool service recommendations, which happens constantly in these groups, you're not responding as a stranger. You're responding as the person who already helped 3 of the neighbors with a pool question last month. And you can say something like, I actually service several pools in this neighborhood. I'm happy to give you a free quote. A few of your neighbors are already my clients. That line right there lands completely differently when it comes from someone the group already knows and trusts. That's the difference between getting ignored and getting the phone call. Now, in summary here, this is the 4-step blueprint. First, build an optimized Google business profile before you do anything else. Then, run a 5 Around Blitz on every single stop without exception. Turn every happy customer into a referral engine with an offer that they can't ignore. And then own the neighborhood online by becoming the helpful expert before you ever make a sales pitch. The crazy thing here again is that none of this is going to cost you any money. All of it is just going to cost your time and effort. And that's exactly why your competitors aren't doing it. because it's easier to write a check for ads than it is to show up consistently and do the work. The operators who build the best routes in this industry aren't always the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who are willing to do the unglamorous stuff early, the door hangers, the community posts, the proactive communication, before they had the revenue to throw money at the problem. And that's how you can build 20 customers in 30 days without spending a single dollar. Now, once you have those 20, the momentum builds on itself. Now, if you stuck around to the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weekly content on how to build a killer pool service business.